Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. A special gift. The best gift I received was a book named 1001 Amazing Facts for Children. The book was full of colorful images and was very attractive. My father told me that there were some amazing things in this book. He asked me to try to read 2 pages every day. Since then, I have been reading 2 pages and sometimes more every day. The book has so many interesting facts about space and planets, rainforests, wild animals, and heavenly bodies, etc. Even though I received many gifts since then, still that book is something special for me. I always keep that book near my study table.